The golden eagle is one of the largest and most formidable predators in the world of birds. Since ancient times, it has been a symbol of strength, courage, and freedom. Its appearance has inspired respect in the cultures of many peoples, and in some regions, the golden eagle is still considered a sacred bird. This video is dedicated to the golden eagle as a species, its behavior, habitat, role in culture and history, as well as its current status and protection. The golden eagle, or golden eagle, got its name due to the characteristic golden sheen of the feathers on the back of its head and neck. Its size is impressive. Its wingspan can reach 2.4 meters, and its weight is up to 6 to 7 kilograms. It has keen eyesight. According to scientists, the golden eagle's vision is 4 to 8 times sharper than a human's. This makes it an outstanding hunter, capable of spotting prey from a height of several hundred meters. The golden eagle's claws and beak are weapons that cause awe. The claws are long and curved, designed to squeeze and pierce the flesh of the prey, and the beak is hooked, ideal for tearing meat. This is a typical representative of the hawk family, the pinnacle of the evolution of birds of prey. The golden eagle is widespread in the northern hemisphere, from North America to Eurasia, from the Arctic to the subtropics. In Russia, it lives from the western borders to the Far East, preferring mountainous and hilly areas, steppes and forest steppes, less often forests. Open spaces with protruding rocks or trees where you can build a nest are especially favorable for it. Golden eagles build nests on cliffs, steep cliffs, or tall trees. These structures reach amazing sizes, up to 2 meters in diameter and 1 meter in height, are used for years, are added to every year, and become real fortresses. The golden eagle's diet is varied and depends on the region and season. Most often, it hunts hares, marmots, squirrels, black grouse, and partridges. In mountainous areas, even a roe deer or a young deer can become prey. The golden eagle is capable of lifting an animal twice its own weight into the air. It hunts both in pairs and alone, demonstrating complex maneuvers in the air, lightning-fast dives, and precise calculation of the moment of attack. Sometimes golden eagles do not disdain carrion, especially in winter. However, they prefer fresh prey. During its life, the golden eagle is able to master a variety of hunting strategies, from stalking on the plain to ambush near rocks. The breeding season for golden eagles begins in early spring. A pair, once formed, can stay together for life. The female usually lays 1 to 3 eggs at intervals of several days. The chicks hatch at different times, and often only the strongest survives. This is how natural selection manifests itself. The chicks develop in the nest for about 3 months, during which time the parents provide them with food, protect them from predators and weather conditions. After leaving the nest, the young golden eagle continues to depend on its parents for about 6 months, learning to hunt and navigate. Despite its widespread distribution, the golden eagle population is declining in some regions. The main threats are habitat loss, power lines, poaching, and a reduction in the food supply. In the past, golden eagles were exterminated as pests, especially in areas where cattle grazed, mistakenly believing that they were harmful to the economy. Modern research has shown that the damage caused by golden eagles is minimal, and their role in the ecosystem is invaluable. In many countries, the golden eagle is protected by law. It is included in the Red Books of individual regions and international lists of protected species. Programs are underway to study and preserve the species, monitor nesting, and organize protected areas. The golden eagle is not just a bird. It is the personification of strength, grace, and freedom. Its image is firmly woven into mythology, art, and national traditions. Preserving this bird is not only the business of ornithologists, but of all of us. After all, by protecting the golden eagle, we also preserve a piece of the living sky, the line between nature and man that cannot be crossed without consequences. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it.